can see what is their response actually. You just look when the agent will be here. This is not the first time we are ordering. We place an order 2-3 weeks before, then they said after 3 weeks the item is out of delivery and reach the item at near of our hometown. Then he was expected for the delivery. Then the next day when we checked with the customer care, like where is my order, like this, where is my order, because on the delivery day it's not delivered. At that time they're saying there is an operational issue, they can't deliver on the expected date. Then they postponed the date to I think 1 week. If the date was for 22nd June, they said we can deliver on 27th. Then I checked with the 27th. They're saying due to some operational reasons the order get cancelled. Actually, in the countries like UAE, if any operational issue happened by the distributor or the company, they will give a reimbursement and they will refund. Here they are keeping our money for 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and they are saying that operational reason, these things. Now you just think we are. I'm asking for chat with the agent and how much time we will take for connecting. They are busy with so many customers, but their arrogance. You just look here. When I asked, he came. Aditya came. He said sorry. He didn't spot. We wait for this like this for a long time. 3, 4, 5 minutes. I just wait for him, and he didn't come. Then I just when I said, "Go come back," he's already just came and looked. Then he go. Sorry for the relationship got terminated due to unexpected operational issues. At the seller end, we are working to resolve. What working? Yesterday when I approached them, they said 24 hours. Today also he's saying the same response after 24 hours. I hear you, I'm sorry, you are still waiting for an update. This is the order unexpected. Actually, a delay is due to operational issues. Seller and I am personally looking into. They're just saying like this. They are not. I'm just checking his came or not. In Flipkart, it's very, very poor service they are providing. Is there without hearing us, he's asking, is there anything help? When we messaging this, he already left the chat. He already left the chat. If you have any good other questions, would like to please about other order, please use the help section. He's gone. Mistake, better. Waiting from 2-3-5 minutes. You can see here what kind of hospitality or customer care they are doing. It's very, very disappointing these things, because in Amazons in UAE, Noon, Talabat, Kita, any software or any this e-commerce software, if any issue with the order at the same time they are giving the reimbursements. Now the Javed come. Let's go. What he will make. Let's see. Okay.